Today we're going to look at dividing by one-digit numbers. This is the whole process of long division, and it's really not that scary. All these steps we're going to do, we already know how. So step 1, divide. We've been working on division. Step 2, multiply. Well, we know how to do that. Step 3, subtract. Well, this doesn't seem so bad. And finally, step 4, bring down. Now this is the only thing that might be a little new, but you'll see in the examples it's not that difficult. And finally, step 5, repeat steps 1 through 4. So let's take a look at an example here. Say we have 513 divided by 3. Well, first thing we want to do is divide. How many times will 3 go into 5? Well, it's 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3, so that's multiply. Next we subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. And finally, we bring down. So I'm going to bring down the next digit, which is a 1. Step 5, repeat. So how many times will 3 go into 21? Well, that's 7 groups of 3. 7 times 3, well, that is 21. Subtract. 21 minus 21 is 0. Well, we have another digit to bring down, which is a 3. Let's repeat. How many times will 3 go into 3? Well, it'd be once. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. No more numbers to bring down. 0 left over, so our quotient is 171. Let's go through another example here. In this example, we're going to look at where to start with the first digit of our quotient. So let's take 6,744. We're going to divide that by 8. Now in this example, we start with dividing. How many times will 8 go into 6? Well, we can't get any groups of 8 out of 6. So then we have to look at the first two digits, which is 67. So how many times will 8 go into 67? That's 8 times. So now we put our 8 over the 7 here. Multiply. 8 times 8, 64. Subtract. 67 minus 64 is 3. Bring down. How many groups of 8 can we get out of 34? Well, that's 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract. 34 minus 32 is 2. And bring down. How many groups of 8? Oh, write down a 4. How many groups of 8 can we get out of 24? Well, it would be 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract. 0. No more numbers to bring down. 0 left over, so our quotient is 843. One more example. Now in this example, we're going to look at what to do when it doesn't work out so nice. So let's take 403, and we're going to divide that by 6. Now how many groups of 6 can we get out of 4? Well, we can't. So we have to look at 40 now. How many groups of 6 can we get out of 40? Well, that would be 6 groups. 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract. 40 minus 36 is 4. And bring down. How many groups of 6 can we get out of 43? Well, that would be 7. Now multiply. 7 times 6 is 42. Subtract. 43 minus 42 is 1. Oh, no more numbers to bring down. We have 1 left. Well, that goes up as our remainder. So this quotient is 67, remainder 1.